Artie McYarty, here with another one. Hey folks, today we're sharpening those blades. Yeah, that's right. Let's get started. Alright, first thing first, get yourself a socket wrench, 14 millimeter. Make sure it's made by Craftsman, and make damn sure it's made in the US of A. Second, screwdriver. That you see over there, I'll show you in a second where you're going to put that. Third, a sharpening kit. This one is a cobalt sharpener by Sharpal. I will post the link momentarily. Recap. All the things that you need. Socket wrench, 14 millimeter, screwdriver that you don't really care about, and most important, a sharpening tool. Remember that screwdriver I told you about? I'm going to show you where to stick it. This is to avoid the blade from turning and spinning when you're trying to unlock the bolt with the socket wrench. Remember, lefty-loosey, just give it enough force until it loosens up, and then you can by hand remove the bolt. Alright, I'm just using this bucket over here as a platform that I can rest the blade on while I sharpen my blades. I am going in even strokes, and I'm counting the strokes. You count however many you want. I'm doing about 10 to 15 on each side just to keep it even. The cool part about a sharpening tool like this, a cobalt sharpener, is it doesn't remove that much material from the blade. It's just enough to sharpen the blades. I'm going to show you at the end how to balance your blade, or how to ensure that your blades are balanced, because the last thing you want is for them to be out of balance and then kill yourself when you're actually mowing the lawn. So here I am sharpening the edges. You don't have to sharpen it super fine. Matter of fact, you don't want to sharpen it super fine. This is a rotary mower, remember that. So you just want enough just to give that nice edge to it, right? So now you get some clean cuts on those grass blades. Because the last thing you also want are your grass blades to look all chewed up and get all yellowed up. Nice, clean, smooth cuts. Nice, clean, smooth, even strokes. Let me know if you can pick it up on the camera here and you can see that sharp blade edge. Oh yeah. Now, if you have chips in your blade, right, missing pieces of material from rocks hitting that sort of thing, just do yourself a favor. Don't be cheap. Go to Home Depot or Lowe's, or go online and buy yourself a fresh new blade. It's only about 20 bucks. Calm down. Another pro tip. Every 2-3 months in between your mows, check your blades. See how they look. Check your grass. See how it looks. And then based off that determination, every 2-3 months, I would say, give them a good sharpening. Alright, time to balance it out, or at least just make sure it's balanced. Look at this little thumbnail, whatever you call this. This is a balancer kit. I will post a link as well in the description. You can buy this online or at Home Depot, wherever. Super cheap, just a few dollars. And it's a little cone, right? You just set it there, make sure it's balanced, and you're good to go. Yep, I would say that is close enough for government work. Last piece of business, we are going to put the blades back. Now it's righty-tighty. Now, one thing I would advise, right? You have the socket wrench. It's got a lot of torque to it, okay? With the leverage that you put on it. Just be careful. No need to go crazy and over-tighten, right? Just a couple arm forces and you're good to go. Do not over-tighten. Extremely important. And make damn sure that you look at the blade before you put it on. It will read on there. This side faces the grass. Make sure that side is facing the grass, facing the bottom. Dear God, do not put it upside down. Alright folks, that about wraps it all up. Now it's just time to enjoy the mow.
Can love you better, can love you better, can love you better, can love you better.